Hello everyone and welcome to a new sprint review from the Eclipse JKube team. During this sprint regarding JKube, we've been working on usual bugs, fixes and maintenance. We have also fixed some bugs reported during customer events like the Orange Hackathon or the AXA Deep Dive. Last, we have also started mentoring students for the Google Summer of Code. For the Kubernetes client, we released 6.0 RC1. We are testing it. We are also preparing some blog posts for the promotion. And today's demo is I will showcase one of the new Fabric8 Kubernetes client features, which is the CRD to Java generator. It should be part of one of our blog posts for the release, so your feedback are very welcome. So this generator takes existing CRDs and creates the Java code so user can interact with them in Java. There are several use cases for that, rewriting an operator in Java or extending an existing operator that is written in Go, extending it with Java, or interactive with the custom resource in developer tools like the Eclipse IDE, IntelliJ, or VSCode extensions. Let me switch to my demo. So what we're going to do is extend an existing operator, which is the devworkspace operator that's which the specifications are there. If you go to this GitHub project, there is a folder CRDs where you can find the CRDs that we can use, and we will create an operator in Java and interact with the modification and updates of this custom resource. I'm going to use this fantastic blog post written by Chris that explains how to create an operator in Java, and then use the CRD that has been generated, so the Java code for CRDs. Okay, so what I've done previously is that I've used the Operator SDK to create the projects. And then I just disabled the build of the image, so it doesn't build it. I don't need that during the dev mode. And I made a Maven Clean install. My next step is to download the CRD. Okay, so I will have prepared the script to download them. And if you look now in resources, you should have the CRDs that has been downloaded from the GitHub that I just shown you before. I will apply them in my local Minikube because I haven't installed my installed it. So they'll apply of these files. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the generator. So the only thing I have to do is is to add the plugin. So there's a Maven plugin to activate the generator. And so I'm going to copy paste that. The PubMixML. In the plugin section, so I added the generator. Sorry, I added the generator here, and so using the RC1 6.0 RC1 version, and it's going to convert all the CRDs that are in that folder. So where we copy paste. Then I also added that this is just for the Java sources that have been recognized in my IDE. There is one more thing to do, is to add the dependencies to that in the dependencies Java so the validation API. And that's it. I can now just run, sorry, Maven clean install, and if we have a look to the target, generated sources. Oh, come on. I've done a clean, so, and it should generate okay, so normally as it has been generated, you can have a look to Java here, and it's there. Okay, I'm going to create a controller. Actually, I'm going to copy paste the one that I have created just before, and of course it's not in the right folder, and has to be named like that. Okay, and as you can see, it's recognized the devworkspace CRD. I would just start Quarkus dev mode, and normally once I've done that, it should do nothing. But then I can try to install the resource in my Kubernetes cluster, and we should see the hello world. Okay, so it is not doing anything. I will create a new file. There, file, and YAML, and place that. So this is the resource that we want to create, and okay, kubectl apply. What was the name of that dev workspace? And it's been created. I can have a look to the dev workspace. So it's been created in my cluster, and if I'm going back to the source code, I should see now hello world. Okay. Now let's do some more changes. So in the operator, instead of just doing a hello world, I will take a dev workspace, the status of my resource, and update it with getting some information from the spec. Okay. So if I do that, okay, normally it has restarted and detected the changes. And if I'm displaying again, you can see that it's been showing the world with the URL that was in the spec. So there. Good. So that was it for my demo. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.